Scientists now believe certain nighttime foods can improve memory, reduce brain fog, and even help protect against cognitive decline. And one of these foods is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. But be careful, because eating the wrong foods before sleep could silently damage your memory over time. Tonight, we're revealing 5 powerful foods that boost your brain overnight, backed by science. Let's begin. Intro. Every night while you sleep, your brain goes into repair mode. Toxins are cleared out. Memory gets organized. Brain cells communicate and rebuild. But your brain needs the right nutrients to do this properly. That's why researchers are now focusing on bedtime nutrition as one of the most important factors for long-term brain health. And the foods you're about to see may help improve focus, memory, mood, and mental clarity while you sleep. Number 5 is especially shocking. Food number 1. Walnuts. First up, walnuts. Walnuts are often called brain food because they actually look like tiny brains. But the real reason is even more impressive. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and melatonin, a natural hormone that supports deep sleep. Deep sleep is critical because that's when memory consolidation happens. In simple words, your brain takes information from the day and stores it properly while you sleep. Studies suggest people who consume more omega-3s often have better cognitive performance and memory retention. Just a small handful of walnuts before bed may help your brain recharge overnight. Food number 2, blueberries. Next, blueberries. Tiny fruit. Massive brain benefits. Blueberries contain powerful compounds called anthocyanins that help fight oxidative stress in the brain. Oxidative stress is basically aging damage that can affect memory and concentration. Some researchers even call blueberries natural brain protectors. Eating blueberries at night may help reduce inflammation and improve communication between brain cells while you sleep. And here's the crazy part. Some studies suggest blueberries may even help delay age-related memory decline. Add them to yogurt or eat a small bowl before bed. Your brain might thank you in the morning. Food number 3, pumpkin seeds. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated brain foods on earth, pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with magnesium, zinc, iron, and tryptophan. Magnesium helps calm the nervous system and improve sleep quality. And better sleep equals better memory. Zinc and iron are also essential for healthy brain signaling. But here's what makes pumpkin seeds special. They support the production of serotonin and melatonin, chemicals linked to mood and sleep regulation. A small nighttime snack of pumpkin seeds may help you sleep deeper and wake up mentally sharper. Food number 4, kiwi. Most people never expect this one, kiwi fruit. Research has shown kiwi may improve sleep duration and sleep quality significantly. And when sleep improves, brain performance improves too. Kiwi is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and serotonin-supporting nutrients. Some experts believe poor sleep is one of the biggest hidden causes of memory problems and brain fog. So improving sleep naturally can have powerful effects on your mental clarity. Eating 1 or 2 kiwis about an hour before bed could help your brain recover more efficiently overnight. Food number 5, Greek yogurt. And finally, the nighttime brain food doctors are paying more attention to Greek yogurt. Why? Because your brain and gut are deeply connected. Scientists now call this the gut-brain axis. Greek yogurt contains protein and beneficial probiotics that support gut health. And a healthier gut may improve mood, reduce inflammation, and support cognitive function. It also contains amino acids that help the brain produce calming neurotransmitters during sleep. But here's the key. Choose plain, low-sugar Greek yogurt. Too much sugar before bed can actually disrupt sleep and harm memory over time. Warning section. Now here's something important. Even the healthiest foods won't help if you destroy your brain with late-night habits like sugary snacks, heavy fast food, alcohol before sleep, or scrolling on your phone until 2 a.m. Your brain repairs itself during quality sleep. And sleep deprivation has been linked to memory loss, poor concentration, and increased risk of cognitive decline. So think of your bedtime routine as brain maintenance.